All right, big breaking news that's coming in right now on the National Film Awards. The announcements have been made and Shah Rukh Khan has been given the National Award for Jawan. He's going to be sharing it with Vikrant Massey. Vikrant Massey winning the National Award for 12th Fail. So huge honor there for superstar Shah Rukh Khan along with Vikrant Massey. The announcement has been made that both of them will receive the National Award. Besides them, Rani Mukherjee also has been named as the awardee, the National Film awardee for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. So this is the big breaking news that's coming in. Rani Mukherjee, Vikrant Massey and Shah Rukh Khan have been named as the winners of the National Award for 2023. Shah Rukh Khan receiving it for Jawan, which was, of course, the athlete directorial film which broke many records across the country and in Bollywood. Many had heaped praises on Shah Rukh Khan's performance in that particular film. But interesting combination as the National Award is going to the superstar Shah Rukh Khan for his massy performance in Jawan and for Vikrant Massey's down-to-earth performance in 12th Fail. Both these actors, male actors, will be sharing the National Award. As far as the best National Award for actress, it goes to Rani Mukherjee for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. This is the announcement that's just come in right now for Shah Rukh Khan. Huge honor there. As for Jawan, he's been awarded with the National Film Award. Let's bring in Sana Farzeen for more on this. Sana, big announcement that's been made. Huge glory there for Shah Rukh Khan.
Absolutely, and it's the first time that he's winning a national award. He has a global stature, of course, a superstar in his own way. But right now, everyone is absolutely excited about this big honor. And Vikrant Massey too, he had kind of played such a great character in 12th Fail. The story was so heartening. Everyone is super excited, but of course, it's very big one for Shah Rukh Khan fans and Rani Mukherjee too, who's also won the Best Actress. I mean, it's an absolute excitement right now in the industry. Everyone's feeling that pumped up. That energy is absolutely viable. Everyone is talking so excitedly. Jawan's Shilpa Rao, she's also won a national award for the song Chalya. So there's the team, the Jawan team is absolutely joyous right now.
This is the first time. Imagine that, Sana. For decades now, Shah Rukh Khan has made his name in the film industry, but first time that he's being given the National Award. He's never received this high honor and now his name has been announced for Jawan. So this film will be very special to him and for all SRK fans.
Absolutely. I think you can also see the happiness in my face. I mean, there's this absolute excitement right now because Shah Rukh has been working out for more than 30 years now. He's had such a long career and he's won multiple awards. He's won international laurels. He's been honored by international titles. But this is the first time that India would be celebrating his hard work, his journey, and a national award, of course, is very special for any actor. And this coming for Shah Rukh Khan for a film like Jawan, where he's put in so much effort. This film also made kind of political statements and thus it just makes it all the more special. Shah Rukh, of course, played double role in Jawan. The film was not just a box office hit but also gained so much love from the critics and fans, and this news is absolutely a joyous moment for Shah Rukh Khan's his fans who are spread across the world, and he is one of the last superstars, as we say, in Bollywood. And this news, this excitement, this honor is absolutely leaving fans absolutely joyous. His team is right now very excited and we'll soon be sharing an official statement from his team, but his family, everyone's absolutely joyous. And this is a big one for Shah Rukh Khan and his fans, and Shah Rukh Khan's hard work and his years long of journey, and this was much awaited. I think everyone feels that Shah Rukh deserves this as much as, of course, Vikrant Massey, who's played such a fabulous role in 12th Fail. He truly deserved to win this national award. Everyone's been talking about it. Definitely this year's national award, the announcement has received a lot more love because it feels like only the deserving ones have got this honor. This is one of the biggest honors that one can get for the film fraternity. Every artist kind of dreams and aspires to win a national award, and this coming for these winners absolutely is a great feat.
Absolutely. But many would say, of course, that while Vikrant Massey wasn't a big surprise because of his award-winning performance in 12th Fail, or for that matter, Rani Mukherjee, who gave such a big, massive, splendid performance, say, in Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. For many, Shah Rukh Khan would have come as the big surprise package in this particular announcement of the national awards. Any announcement, any reaction that's come in from the superstar himself, Sana?
Yeah, I think we'll just get the statement in just a few minutes. But as of now, as you rightly mentioned, it was surprising because usually national awards are awards which critically acclaimed films get, or at least subjects which are a little different from the usual commercial films, and thus it becomes all the more surprising because Jawan was an out and right entertainment film. It was so commercial, so massy that of course it came as a surprise for Shah Rukh Khan's fan. But as I was telling you, it's a great surprise for his fans. I mean, they've all been waiting for this. Shah Rukh has had more than 3 decades of career in the film industry, and this award just kind of signifies the stardom, the love that he truly deserves.
It's a Best Male Actor award being shared essentially by Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Massey. It couldn't be, two polar opposites or two contrasts more than this. Essentially for Jawan, which is a Massey film, Shah Rukh Khan getting the Best Actor award, and Vikrant Massey for his down-to-earth, humble performance in 12th Fail. But perhaps the messaging is exactly that, we are ensuring that we award not just those who come up with soul-stirring performances, but also the Massey ones who bring in the money, make blockbusters, global blockbusters at that. As Shah Rukh Khan is no doubt well-deserved, considering he's been in the film industry for 30 years or more, and this is his first national award. Sana, can you just run us through the entire list of all those who've been named as the awardees this time, as the ones who'll be honored?
Yeah, so for the big ones, of course, we've been talking about Shah Rukh and Vikrant winning the Best Actor award. They're sharing the honor. Rani Mukherjee for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, which was also another powerful performance by the actor. She's won the Best Actress. Best Direction has gone to Sudipto Sen, who directed the Kerala Story. And Best Film it has been honored to Kathalle, which was a Netflix film and starring Sania Malhotra in the lead role. Best Singer, of course, is Shilpa Rao for Chalia. These are the big honor that has come in, and Vaibhavi Merchant, she's got the Best Choreographer award for Rocky Aur Rani song. The song portrayed the gender equality. It kind of celebrated how gender is portrayed on screen, and that was the song that she's been awarded to. Other than that, there have been Vansh, which is a Gujarati film. It was the remake was made into Shaitan. The actress has gone the Best Supporting Actress, and the film, Gujarati film, has won the Best Gujarati Film. So these are the big honors that, of course, has come in.
Okay, so Sana, they're listing all of those who have been named as this year's winners of the National Film Award. You've got Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Massey sharing the Best Male Actor Award, Rani Mukherjee winning the Best Female Actress Award also.